Hey folks, here is a quick tutorial on how to do a chroma key in Premiere Pro. So the first thing you want to do is import all of the video and the background that you plan on using. So here is our lovely chroma keyed person with the background. We're going to put that on our timeline. Now you'll notice, well, the audio can go up there. You'll notice I put the video on V2, and I'm doing that on purpose because we are going to chroma this over a background, and the background that we're going to do it over is actually this lovely blue sky here. And I'm going to take this and we will expand it so it's as long as the rest of the clip here. Isn't this exciting? So exciting. All right, there we go. So you're like, okay, that's great, but Carrie, we're not seeing it. So what you have to do in order to see your chroma key is you come up here to Effects, and it will think, and then it will pull up this on the side, and then you will come over here to Video Effects, okay? Expand those. You'll come down here to Keying, expand that, and then you'll take Ultra Key. I don't know why they call it Ultra Key, but they call it Ultra Key. And you will take that, click on it, grab on it, and drag it down to the piece of video that you want to chroma key. And we will drop that on there. And great, still don't see it. So what you do is you come back over here to Editing, and then you come over here to your upper left-hand box and click Effect Controls. And now because you drop that Ultra Key onto that particular line, you now have the option to chroma that. So what you will want to do is left click on the dropper, come over here and click on the green, and ta-da, blue sky behind her. And if it's a little bit dirty, you can click here, and matte cleanup will usually help with some of the extra sparkles, or you can grab another portion of the color here. Usually we go for the darkest areas to do the key. But any of these down here, you can play with a little bit to see if you can get that clip cleaned up. See, as I play with the contrast, this up here, which was messy, is now much cleaner. And now we have our friend who was standing in front of a green screen. Now she's standing in front of the sky. How about that? And there you go. That's all there is to it in order to chroma key. So you put your video that you want on V2, you put the background on V1, you go over to Effects, Video Effects, Keying, Ultra Key, and then you come back over here on your upper left-hand control box and go to Effects Controls, click on your dropper, pick the color, usually green. They usually stand in front of a green screen. Pick that color, and you should be able to see your background. And that's all there is to it. So enjoy your ultra matting or chroma key.